This nigga got me locked, man. And it's GSP.
Get this way, go this way, go this way.
To the right?
Yeah.
It'll go down in this bitch if you touch me. ARP chop, make I'll do the dirty. I ain't finna play, bitch, I ain't checking. She wanna fuck, she fuck that bitch look. I'm in the striker smoking with my cousin. Bitch, I'm a dog just like Buddy. I got the heat mixing with the honey. I got the big Glock in the function. I'll take your plate, don't make me get hungry. Lil' Robin shooting shit just like something. He try to drive off, I shot the bumper. That's no cap, I did that in the summer. I got a bitch that look just like Summer. I'm talking Walker, bitch, I ain't never got put in the locker. I would've came back for revenge and partner. Damn. I really be stirred like my daddy. He left my mama, I feel like a bastard. I'm tryna fuck her, that bitch got a fatty. She want a baby, so I use a magnet. I'm in the club with rats. Real deal stick, I swing like a battle. I cut that bitch off, I don't like nag. Mini Draco breathe fire like a dragon. You would get robbed, I got trained by a ladder. ARP chopper here, way to Saturn. Knots in my pocket like I'm with me Jack. When I for this bitch, I made it fatter. I don't like talking, I don't like chatting. I'm with a real deal sling slash. My grandma don't like that her baby a savage. I be with real deal grave grabbers. I ain't been the same since a nigga been lit. They know I'm on, check the feet. Look go a wall down like a pig. Hop out with a punk like bitch with a tricks. Bitch with a rabbit. I'm living life, bitch, I'm living lavish. I'm getting green, bitch, I'm getting cabbage. If I ain't got the Glock, you get stabbed with a dagger. Bitch, why would I fight? Do I look like a jabber? He seen the dish and got turned into Casper. I hit the whip, made the window shatter. I'm climbing up and I ain't got no ladder. If you ain't my homie, yo bitch, I'm a bagger. I fuck my first bitch in the saddle. I power up like the Green Lantern.
Watch the full video. Gets crazy at the end. It's your boy, Cashmernosweater, back at it again with another vlog, man.
Okay.
And today, I'm with my niggas right now, playing 2K. I just whooped his sorry ass. Got him over there eating jalapeno chips. Oh! Got my nigga Josh right here, you feel me? And we on 2K right now, but later we finna go to Moreland, you know, get some content. I know y'all wanna see some lit car shit. So I'm finna give y'all some lit car shit.
You guys wanna come, gang?
So is that one nigga I wanna drive though. We finna go to that Moreland car shit. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all boys with me. And we're gonna put my headlights on my 2019 Challenger RT, man. And then go to Moreland. Hopefully we steez with this headlight shit. And we put that shit on quick though. Cause, you know, I don't wanna do that shit all day. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. Y'all like, subscribe, more videos on the way. Love y'all, and I'm out. Hey man, look, we on the way to Moreland to get some car content. You feel me? This nigga's black. Besides me, hell nah.
You got a camera? You see all these blacks? That's how you know we ain't do that video.
Yeah.
And why do that? Nah, send him the ad. You know he can't keep up.
What's up, YouTube?
He's literally Moreland, gang.
Zay, man. Just Zay. Ugly. Nah, that shit is hard though. That shit is hard though.
Finally said it.
Yo, why Jor hating?
No, that nigga tried to cap last time. I hate when niggas try to cap. So when niggas try to cap, I gotta tell them. Like, it just be itching in my body. Like,
We finna see them toys and toys.
Toys? Hey man, we in this bitch though, finna.
Park down there.
Josh weird.
Bro, why you littering, bro?
Jor don't got manners.
I'm wrong with you, gang.
Hell no, nigga.
I'm wrong with you, gang.
We finna go to Moreland, get some car content, and then we out. And then tomorrow, that's when we're gonna do the headlights. I told y'all we're gonna do the headlights, but I'm gonna continue that vlog for tomorrow. You feel me? And get some content for y'all right now. So the next time y'all see me, y'all probably gonna see some cars sliding. So let's get this shit done. I told y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, I got my nigga Jordan in bit vlogging, you feel? Yo, my shit look hard in the rain, y'all. Yo, my shit look hard in the rain.
nah, your shit low-key lowered though. What the fuck?
It is lowered. That's what the nigga told me. Yes, sir, scared. Them niggas shit soggy. You crazy as fuck.
Nigga, fuck this shit up right now. What you wearing?
Hey man.
I'm gonna catch y'all when niggas get here for real.
God damn, my ski fucked up in all types of ways. Hey though, I told y'all next time y'all see me, a car's gonna be sliding though. What y'all little niggas doing in here, little nigga?
You went up there, little nigga.
Yo, what is this nigga? Why you trying to look suspicious, nigga? He was not John Wick, nigga. Yo, this shit look cool as hell, don't it? Oh God.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, I told these niggas I was finna get this shit, you feel me? Like my splitter, you didn't see how the road is? Yeah. That's why. The road's like that. But I'm gonna buy another one. Like, probably next week.
That shit hard, dude. So you living life, dude.
Nah, this only the beginning. Hellcat neck. But hey though, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get some more action if y'all can hear me. Y'all like, subscribe. Some shit, I just feel like some shit coming, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see me stand on top of this bitch, nigga? Y'all see me stand, and I think a nigga finna slide, bro. Niggas is finna slide, y'all. If my ski fucked up, I'm sorry, but we lit right now, man. We just waiting. We came early to the party though. It was 11. It starts at 11. We came here about what? 11 something. Like exactly on time. Y'all know if you come exactly on time, you're early. That was just a random clip. I just wanted to get myself on the car. So I'm gonna catch y'all niggas later. Love y'all. Y'all like, subscribe.
Let me get on the car with you.
I mean, if you want.
Say let's hold this.
Wait. All right, yeah.
It hit different when your partner let you step on his shit.
You gotta do a little dance though.
Yeah, this nigga fucking this shit.
It's different when you know what I'm saying? Hey, you need a thumb, Where you need a thumb?
Yo, no signal middle finger up like that. You look like a GTA character.
It hit different.
Just keep the camera rolling.
Cashmernosweater. Oh, he thought I was his cameraman.
This nigga don't want to be my cameraman, bro.
Fuck no.
Come here. It's gonna get deeper and deeper here. So when the action start jumping, that's when the camera gonna start rolling. Oh yeah. Shut up. Yes, sir. Hell no. You can't. It's finna get wicked.
Bro, I gotta take this nigga home, bro.
This nigga finna leave as soon as it starts. Oh shit. Oh shit. This nigga excited now. Finally. Hey Zay, I know you got a rag in there, bro. I know you got a nice little rag I could borrow real quick. See, niggas be real niggas and shit.
Niggas digging his shit dirty.
Oh God.
Perfect thumbnail, but that's why you gotta give me footage, gang.
Wait, this side too. Yes it is, gang. I stood on this side, nigga. This how I got on. Alright, twin safety, gang.
Hey, don't forget that iPad either. That nigga give me some content, bro.
Some footage?
Yeah. I'll put that.
Nigga, we gonna get more footage tomorrow. We linking tomorrow.
Nah, bro. You finna lead too, gang?
Hell no, I'm getting in his shit though. I'm in this nigga shit. I'm in the big boy. Shut the fuck up.
Get the fuck out.
Why he not sliding? Your shit is Cam not sliding.
Bro, what?
With a bumper off. How your bumper off and your car new?
Why you hating?
Why he leaving, gang?
We slide.
He said, oh yeah, these niggas can't slide. I'm out. I'm gonna catch on when we get some action. Ain't nothing going on. Niggas is going home, bro. Niggas is going home. This shit is slide.
Niggas going home.
I can't believe it. Every time I go to a car meet, shit be ass. Why is shit quietly sliding?
You know what the fuck you doing though?
Yeah, nigga start sliding that shit finally, nigga. Yeah, Sirski. Sleepy boy. Sleepy boy.
Hey, let's go, bro.
Oh, my phone, fuck. Bro, I just cracked my shit. Oh, look at Josh. Josh is in there with the... It's too wet for me, gang. I just stepped in a puddle, bro. What the fuck? Josh scared his ass.
Oh shit, he gone? Oh, he might be better than he like real. Oh, nigga scared to come over here.
Hey man, it's a new day. It's the next day to be exact. That car shit didn't go to plan. It didn't go how it was supposed to go. All right, let me give y'all a cold start. before I go get me a haircut. Y'all see this shit. What's good, y'all? I'm finna go get a haircut right now, man. Today's currently the next day after the little car shit. That shit didn't go as planned. Everybody was like scared to slide their shit. I wasn't gonna slide my shit. I was a spectator. But them niggas was supposed to slide their shit. They didn't do it, so it is what it is. But today, hopefully everything goes to plan. I should be putting my headlights, my new RGB headlights on my Challenger today with my niggas, you feel me? We probably gonna fuck around, figure out how to put them bitches on, and I'm finna get a haircut right now. And I don't know what the rest of the day got in store, but best believe I'm gonna get a little vlog and a little something, you feel me? Might do a little prank for y'all, you never know. But y'all like, subscribe, man. I know my vlogs be all over the place sometimes, but I'm working on my organization this year, you know? Have shit more structured, you feel me? Take this shit, just do this shit 10 times better, you know? I know I can do better in this shit, so I'm gonna keep working, you feel me? So yeah, y'all like, subscribe, more videos on the way. And y'all see me now. I don't got no cut right now. Y'all can't really, I don't got no cut, bro. Oh my gosh, this shit is terrible. But next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have a fresh one. Hey man, y'all see this shit? Woo! Y'all niggas need to go to my barber, I ain't gonna lie. Cuts and Creations, bro, Duluth, bro. This nigga, y'all ain't gonna find a better barber, so I might as well just go to the one I'm telling y'all. And I know y'all need a cut right now. So go ahead and just get the shit over with. I just linked up with my boy Josh and my boy Jordan. And we got the Camaro V8 right here, you feel me? SS. Got my shit right here. It's my partner shit. Niggas, you feel me? Got the red nose. Yeah, sirski. Now this shit look hard though. This might be, hey Josh. Hey Josh. Come, hey Jordan. I need a thumbnail real quick.
Nigga just want to take pictures. Oh, I should do like a wide body stand like this here. I don't even know my phone now.
Man, get closer. See how, it don't matter, it's recording. Y'all see how I'm posing and shit? Like, I know my shit ass, leave me alone.
Yo, who calling me, bro? Yo, this shit wasn't even recording, eh? Come on, bro, we gotta redo it. God is stupid ass.
Well, we finna try to cut his shit on real quick. Jump start his shit and just cut it on. But we ain't finna dry this shit, you feel me? You gonna let this shit sit for just a little. But we gonna cut this shit on, you feel me?
Yeah. That shit working,
But hey, man.
Oh!
What?
It's on!
Start that motherfucker.
Damn. Oh, shoot that bitch on!
Start that motherfucker. Damn it.
Damn, she won't start.
Right there. Hey man, we gotta get my shit clean before we you feel me?
Yeah.
Before we get busy.
Let's get out there, bro.
Hey though, we just cleaned my shit, bro. Now it's time to go take the bumper off and get busy. So when we in the garage, that's the next time you're gonna see us, man. Finna get busy. Then after that, we're gonna see some cars sliding, y'all, hopefully. Hopefully everything go to plan.
Ooh, you saw my transition?
Hey man, I'm in an undisclosed location right now. I got my beautiful mom right here, you feel me? I got everybody right here locked in. Oh yeah.
Hold it just like those.
Then you just take them out. Just like that. But don't break them. If
All
you
right.
break them, your bumper be, it'll be loose.
Don't break it. Y'all heard that?
Make sure you break it.
Oh, it pulled out easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, these cars are like puzzles.
That's it. Just keep on going. Then it's going. Stop. You see it?
Yeah.
You gotta take
So
the
basically,
whole
once I take these out, take them screws out, and then take the bottom.
And then there's some stuff in the bottom. It's got a, see, it's got a piece right, a little plastic piece in there. That's just gonna come out. But you still gotta be gentle. You can't, you know.
Yeah.
You gotta, and that's it.
Oh, let's get to it. Let's get this junk just going.
As you can see, we did indeed get the 10 millimeter. My boys get to working. Look like Cash doing some shit right here.
Man, I really miss my niggas. I remember smoking dope in the trenches. Just to get our head right, cause a nigga like us ain't never really had no guidance. And you just turned 20 times flying. Last time with a whole damn gang.
All right, we indeed did remove the bump.
Okay.
Let me get this tool here.
Y'all hard for this. I ain't even gonna go.
Yo, listen, y'all. Like, we couldn't do this shit. Listen, let me tell y'all exactly what happened. I was trying to take the bumper off. It was a screw. I don't know what the fuck. It was basically one side wouldn't come off. One side wouldn't come off. I started pulling, and these niggas dropped my bumper.
Lame ass nigga. These niggas right here. Both of these lame ass niggas. Right there, really.
Once they dropped my shit, I was like, man, fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit. I'm done. Put my shit back on. So next time y'all see me, hopefully cars just sliding. These niggas loud as hell. They got no respect. They some hoes. Fuck them. When they start recording, I'm gonna be annoyed. But y'all like, subscribe. I'm out.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Duh. Niggas get active. That's it for the pop. Woo. What the fuck?
Listen, y'all. We was gonna put the headlights on, but that shit went to shit. So let me tell y'all what happened. We was trying to take the bumper off. When we took the bumper off, well, when we got to the other half of the bumper, like the screw and shit, it was like a random ass screw that just would not come off. So I'm pulling that bitch, thinking these niggas on the other side gonna be holding it, my other side of the bumper, cause they was holding it, and this shit dropped. Soon as my bumper dropped, like the top of the headlight shit cracked a little bit. It cracked, but it ain't fucked nothing up. But the fact that it cracked, it pissed me off. I instantly said, you know what, I'm done. Put the bumper back on. I'm paying somebody to do this shit. Fuck that shit. But right now, we posted up right now. I'm with my boy Eli in the cut, you feel me?
Life with Eli.
Life with Eli, nigga. Y'all boys go subscribe. I'll catch y'all boys later. Hopefully I get some action for y'all. I've been trying to get some content, but everything just been going to shit. So literally yesterday was ass, bro. But hopefully today's better. You know, if you have an ass day, just hope that the next day is better, bro. You feel me? Don't dwell on that ass day, you feel me? It don't matter.
You're going?
Exactly, nigga.
Yo, you
fucking content, nigga. We already recording, nigga. Hey, you heard him. We got a nigga ball sliding now.
Oh shit. Oh, there you go, right there. We gonna hit y'all boys up when we at the spot.
Oh shit. Bro, we here now, y'all. We finally getting some fucking action.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking let's do this shit! Let's do this shit! Woo!
Okay. Let's get this shit rolling, nigga. Let's get this shit going. Let's get this. Oh shit. Yeah. Let's get that shit going, little nigga. Let's get that shit going. Yes, sir. This shit shooting flames. This shit shooting. Oh. Hey, you did your thing. Hey, y'all boys did y'all thing, man. Y'all boys did y'all thing. Hey, you good though, gang. You good though. That's life. You did your thing.
Nah, niggas just went bad.
Oh God, though. My nigga, then that was quick. That's what I came here for, the crashes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey. Oh shit. Hey, whose phone that is? Let's fucking get it. I got tired shit. He said, oh. Oh shit. Hey, Mom. Big ass tongue control. He finna go. Oh shit. Woo! This shit getting crazy. Next spot, y'all. Be at the next low.
Them niggas is going
two accidents in 3 minutes.
Nigga, what? Nah, that shit. Gang, as soon as I stopped recording, they hit. I was like, nah.
Nah, this shit fun though. I told y'all we finna get some action sooner or later.
We finna hit y'all boys up when we at the next motherfucking spot. You feel me?
No kidding. Hey y'all, look how hard this shit looked though. We made it to the next spot. I wish I couldn't see this fucking glare. But yeah, man, we made it to the next spot. Let me turn my car off.
Oh, you turning it off?
Yeah. Fuck wrong with you? Nigga thought I was keeping this shit on for him. You stew. You stew boy. Oh yeah, let's get. Oh. Woo! I got this.
Hey, put that shit up,
Okay.
man. You
That nigga
tripping, bro.
He's trying to
Niggas
commit.
just got in the 20.
Bro, Jordan, why is this nigga trying to commit genocide?
I don't know.
Genocide. Why is he trying to commit genocide?
Some manslaughter shit. Man. Put that shit up.
This nigga made me come up with vocabulary. I ain't never say gen.
I'm not drunk.
Why you keep trying to slide?
I ain't gonna lie, someone's legs bound. This nigga. Nigga, look. Hey, oh shit. We getting content for y'all boys today. Oh shit. Yeah, Sirski. Oh my God. He didn't even see that nigga. Oh my God! He walked his ass.
Max! Hey, you take mine. Oh, this is a good ass thumb game. Get close. You gotta get close, gang. There you go. You gotta sit right here, gang.
That was hard. Let's do it.
about something. Nigga talking about something today.
Nigga, this shit look like a fucking movie, nigga.
I had to get it for you.
I ain't running in there, my nigga Josh is though. You feel me?
I grabbed his shirt.
Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go. Yo, this shit lit, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, shit. Y'all boys, we just left that the other location. That shit was lit. I ain't gonna lie, niggas is going crazy. I don't think it was no accident.
Hell no.
Yeah, that means some niggas went. They did their shit at this one. You feel me? Now we on the way to the next one. I don't know if this was the last one or not, but shit, we finna see. We 14 minutes. You know I'm driving that big boy Hemi down shipping on niggas. You feel me? Fuck that car doing.
It's going crazy though.
Yeah, I had to lock in, y'all, cause I had to get away from that truck. That nigga was But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when we at the next low. I just had to tell y'all boys we going to the next low. You feel me? Because this how that shit go. You just gotta slide, on to the next, slide, on to the next.
Yeah.
On to the next, slide. Like, say, oh God, that's not what you.
Oh God.
Exactly. Hey, it's a Charlie right there. Let's see what he do. Let's see what he do. I just talked to him.
He ain't talking about nothing.
Yeah. Oh, I'm ending on that note. A new location, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You good though?
OD bad.
That shit would have.
He read up quick as fuck, bro.
Hey, he whipped that bitch though. Oh shit. Oh shit. This shit getting crazy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Y'all see me though. I ain't here for no reason. Yes, sir. Y'all see me.
On this shit, con.
Nigga, I just went. Nigga, that shit.
Bad for you, boy. That was gonna be bad
I'm too swift though, cuz. Like, come on, bro.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
That bitch tired.
That shit sleepy, boy.
Y'all almost got hit.
Got no storage, bro.
Tell you that should be a problem. Tripping like What the fuck is that shit? Oh, hell nah. Put that striker up.
Call this shit a strike. Oh shit.
Yo, that shit works. Hey, we look at this shit though. That's where we hop out of though. Hey, this is a fire pick though, Eli.
Bro, just move, bro.
My camera finna die, y'all.
Watch out, George.
Why that nigga say, oh man, let's get it. I would have left just like that too. This nigga got me locked, man. And it's GSP.
Go this way, go this way, go this way.
To the right?
Yes. What this nigga? He's gonna get this one.
Popping my with a capital cap, RT red eye repeat. Be ugly, but my bad. She ain't even sneeze, but still I bluff. I don't like it, don't like it, don't like it.
We spot him, we got him, we shot him and trap it. That nigga is pussy, he don't wanna study. Nigga see the gang and started a panic. Fucked on a Kelly bitch, I full of plastic. I need me a bitch who just gon' keep it classic. Stun on y'all niggas can't have it. Stacking my money, should've been on that Maverick.